Hi friends, I'm Aman, and today I'm going to tell you the story of a girl named Anamika, a girl who couldn't fit in. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Anamika. She was born in the family of doctors. Her father was a heart specialist and her mother was dentist. When her Even her elder brother was selected to become a doctor. But Anamika was not like them. She couldn't concentrate on her studies. You need to become a doctor. Why don't you take up medical? Her father said to her every time and forced her to study those subjects. But this hurt Anamika all the time. She felt like she didn't belong to her family. She wanted to be like them, but no matter how hard she tried, she couldn't. Every night she would spend her time sketching, drawing, and painting. She painted her father, her mother, and even her brother in their hospital with their patients. Her paintings looked as if the emotions were so alive. The paintings showed how much her family loved her to become a doctor. And the painting also showed what Anamika was good at. However, her family didn't know all this. All they knew was that she couldn't be a doctor. So they were not happy with her. But this girl loved her family so much that she wanted that her family should be proud of her. But how could that happen if she couldn't do what she wanted to do? The answer came when her teacher discovered her talent in arts. Anamika started joining different art activities and competitions. Her talent impressed everyone. She won medals and trophies for her excellent artworks. When her parents came to know about it, they stopped forcing her to become a doctor. They absolutely loved her paintings and other artworks. Anamika had finally found her niche. Being different doesn't mean you have no talent or no hope. Being different simply means you have something unique to offer the world. Don't try to be like everybody else in order to fit in a particular group or community. Just being you creates the difference and makes you unique. Just imagine such a big world, but no one is like you. You are unduplicable. What a miraculous thing it is to be you. Of all the people who have come and gone on the face of earth since the beginning of time, no one is like you. Isn't it remarkable? No one has the same fingerprints as you have. No one who has ever lived or is to come on this earth in the form of human beings will ever have the combination of abilities, qualities, talents like you. So much so that no one will share your friends, acquaintances, burdens, sorrows, the opportunities that you will get. So, isn't it a reason to celebrate? Isn't it a reason to enjoy that uniqueness? But why do we have to copy someone to be accepted? Or why do we ever have to look or dress like someone else to feel unique? We are meant to be different. Why don't we treasure our own uniqueness and recognize that treasure within us? Why do we get affected by what people think and what they say about us? As a matter of fact, why should we judge others if each one of us is unique in this world? But the real problem is we might accept everyone else as they are, but we never accept ourselves. We always try to see ourselves through the eyes of others. We do not need to be accepted by others. We need to accept ourselves and say to ourselves, I am human, unique and imperfect. My flaws make me unique. I am real. I am authentic. And I am proud of myself. Make mistakes. It's a sign that we are unique. At least we are trying, changing, and moving and learning. Be bold about you. You will never regret it. Perfect is artificial. Imperfect is beautiful. Love yourself. Forgive yourself. Adore your weaknesses. How we rise from our fall is what makes us grow. It's okay to feel sad, weak, scared, and even angry because always happy, always strong is a utopia. Imitation is boring. Originality is fascinating. Take pride in who you are. Love who you are becoming. Believe in yourself. If you want to make this world a better place, become the best version of yourself. Never forget you are human, unique, and imperfect.